Hello, this is Westgate Real Estate and I am outside of 142 Cherry Street in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding area, and the view from this condo has a really nice view of the Sonoma Mountains from the front door. So you come in and immediately to your left is the bathroom, and there's a washer and dryer as well as a tub and shower combination. And this bedroom, I would say, is the larger of the 2 bedrooms, has 2 closets. This bedroom has laminate flooring, and then the living room, updated kitchen with gas range, lots of counter space, a ton of storage. Living room, little eat-in area that could be a dining room or an office, and then a really lovely deck. I'm just going to give you a view from this vantage point. Just a really lovely condominium. So again, this is 142 Cherry Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.